Good morning, everybody. Petty Officer Paul here. I've had a restless night of sleep, thinking about World of Warships, what I shouldn't really be doing. But anyway, I did that, and I come to the conclusion that maybe I should push this thing a little bit further with regards to if I've got all the lower tier, not so great ships, or some of them, maybe just open up another 20 containers and see what I get. I can afford it, which is nice. It's about $60. It's not the end of the world, and we'll see how far we can take it. I'm not going to take it too far. I just want to see it, record it, maybe post it, depending on what I get, and give everyone out there an opportunity to see what I can get if they don't have the opportunity to buy these containers. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to get out of here, I hope. And then go to the premium shop. Gonna buy the big Santa containers again because I think that's the best value for money. And you know, if you don't get ships, you do get all the other benefits of getting what comes in those containers, which in gameplay does help out quite a lot. So, you know, not to be too negative about it. It's just that I know that everyone's kicking up a fuss about not getting the premium ships that they want to get. So, gonna buy it again. That's it, bought. Now we're gonna go to the check them out. I've got 21 containers in there. I don't know why. Maybe this. Oh, it's a giveaway from this morning. That's right. For logging on. Okay, first container. Oh, coal. Yep. Can always do more coal. $15 flags. Love those economic flags. Camos. Doubloons. It's always good. Don't get me wrong. There's a lot of good stuff in these containers that are very useful. Very useful. But I know everybody's really itching to get those premium ships. You know, I'd really like the Missouri or the Belfast, but chances are very slim. At this point anyway. Camos, flags. Maybe something's happened overnight, who knows. We've done 12, no ships. I thought I might get the Marblehead, the US cruiser, because I don't have that. And I thought that might be the next one up, but it doesn't seem to be. Okay. I've just got a feeling this is going to be a dry well today. Isn't this interesting? Not one ship. I was expecting one. I was hoping for one. That's it for my normal containers. This is the one I got for logging in today. So nothing. Interesting. So I wonder if Wargaming have changed something overnight, and we'll only see. I'm not going to do any more containers today. Maybe later in the week. and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned. Thanks very much. This is Petty Officer Paul signing off.